In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify a signature in Adobe Acrobat. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open the signed document. So I'm going to open this one over here, and then you want to scroll down and actually find the signature. So for me, the signature is over here. You can just one click on it, your left click, and there we go. It's going to give you a verification status. So it says signature validation status, and it says this signature is valid, which means you've basically verified your signature, okay? So I'm going to click on close, and if you click on signature panel up top, over here you'll also be able to see if it's valid and verified or not, okay? So those are the two ways to do this. But then if you want to verify it yourself, what you're gonna have to do is basically sign it, okay? So you want to go to e-signatures and you want to basically digitally sign. So go to top right and type in digital, there we go, digitally sign, click on that, and it's gonna open up this, press OK, and then whenever you do this, for example, I want to sign over here, select your of course your digital ID, click on continue, and then whenever you review all this over here, it's automatically going to verify your signature. You can even view your certificate details if you want to. Click on the sign button like this. You can then save the document, and it's going to be basically a verified signature, which you can after verify by simply clicking on it as I showed you, or clicking up here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.